Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. Brad Hurt. My phone number is 864-236-1680. That's my home number, so make sure you leave your name and your number. Now I'm going to put the MS back bracket together. I've already inserted the spring. I've already inserted the main shaft on the tone arm right here. The skinny end right here goes down. The fat one here goes up. What we're going to do, we're going to add a little grease to that. The small shaft that goes into the into the back bracket here, I've already preset the spring to where I feel it's right. We're just going to give that a little coat of grease, silicone. We're going to insert that. See there, I have some pressure. So the trick to putting this together is you're going to bring down the small one with your fingernail, and you're going to insert this there we go, just like that. I had pre-lubed the hole in the bottom one. You see this works, how nicely that works? And if we can get on camera on the inside there, you can see the little gap. Okay? Now what we're going to do, we'll grease the tone arm. We'll put some in here. Make sure you get some on the edge. Yeah, it's going to spill out. Take the spill out. Going to put it on the threads. Because these things will always be hard to get off. If you've done a lot of phonographs, you'll notice that when you put this in here, sometimes they don't want to come apart. Now we're going to add a little grease to the inside of the lip right here. This looks like a lot, but a lot of it's going to squish out. You're going to gently put it in with a screwdriver. Right there. Perfect. And wipe all the excess residue off, and then use a little lacquer thinner. Now what you're going to do, I've pre-greased the back bracket screws or bolts with a little bit of grease. Perfect. You don't hear it. You don't hear any sound out of that coming down. This will pivot. This fell over the side because the bench is bent a little. When you put a new rubber gasket, the rubber flange on the back of your exhibition, you're going to mount it here. You're going to have the bottom of the reproducer where the needle goes in, and you have this little notch right there, and that's going to go up and over just like that. So this should be to the top and off to the right. These are really simple tricks. These things really work, and that's my tip for the day.